Hey you guys, I'm back with another video. If you want to see how I turned from this into that, stay tuned. But before I do, I want to show you guys how I do my bun really quickly. It's very simple. You guys were asking. I just put my hair up like I was doing a ponytail and then just wrap my hair around and mold it with my hands until I get that perfect bun. And that's about it. Now here comes the sad part, taking down my locks. I really love them so much and I didn't want to remove them, but they had to go. So I grab a lock and cut lower than my hair. Of course, you want to cut longer than your hair. Cut it, unravel the lock, and inside there's going to be a braid, and then you simply unbraid that and the rest of the lock just come right out. So it's very easy. So I'm just going to repeat that all over my head until I remove all my locks. So again, cut longer than your hair, unravel the lock, unbraid the braid that's inside your faux lock, and slide the rest of the hair out, and that's about it. Now that my hair is all out, I'm going to take my favorite conditioner that I know that's going to give me slip, which is the Aussie Moist conditioner. And I'm going to take a whole bunch of that, honey, and just put it all over my hair. I'm going to open my sections, make sure I get the conditioner everywhere. I mean everywhere. And then I'm going to take my Felicia brush and detangle my hair from ends up to the roots. I'm going to repeat that all over my head until my hair is fully covered in conditioner and fully detangled. Once again, I'm just simply applying the conditioner all over my hair and making sure it's saturated, detangle my hair, and twist it up. Once my hair is detangled and conditioned, I'm going to be taking the Bodyworks Peppermint Tea Tree Shampoo and applying that to a applicator bottle and putting that directly on my scalp and scrubbing my scalp. It feels so amazing, like you guys just don't understand. I repeated that same step in the shower. Now I'm out, my hair feels so fresh and clean. And now I'm going to start the twist out portion. I'm going to be using the Hair Milk by Eden and their oil to do my twist. Once I apply the product to my hair, I'm going to gently detangle my hair to make sure it's nice and smooth. Then split my hair into 2 even sections to start off my 2-strand twist. And I'm going to simply 2-strand twist my hair, detangle throughout to make sure my hair doesn't tangle up again, and finish up the twist with a bantu knot on the ends to give me a better finish, so my ends don't be too poofy when it comes to taking it down. So I'm just going to simply repeat the same steps over until my whole head is finished. I did let my hair set overnight. I'm taking it down. I'm going to be applying oil to my hands just to prevent any frizz when I'm taking down my twist. I noticed that my hair feels so soft. My scalp is clean. Eden Bodyworks really came through. I'm really loving the moisture milk or the hair milk. Oh my gosh. I am just surprised how defined my hair is after using that. But anywho, my hair is nice and fresh and defined. You guys could already see that right now. I'm gently picking my hair with my afro pick so I can have volume. And girl, get your life. Like, look at this. Anyways, you guys, my hair came out so great. This is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below what you think, and let me know if you've used these products before or if you're going to. Anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a blessed day or night, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.